Hey and welcome back to the channel. In today's video I'll be trying out the E.L.F Camo Powder Foundation. I got it in the shade Deep 540N. This was a suggestion from a previous video, and if I have a way I will pop it up on the screen somehow. Thank you. I will be trying this out for you guys. It's a talc-free powder foundation. I don't know. I also got the E.L.F Ultimate Blending Brush. I'm gonna use that to apply this, and hopefully it works. We'll find out. I'm not real familiar with powder foundations because I usually use liquid foundations, but for the sake of this video I'm going to try to wing it. I don't think liquids go on top of powders because in my mind it'll end up cakey. So to start off, I am going to prime my face using the E.L.F Poreless face primer. Okay, so for concealer, I'm going to use the Too Faced Born This Way multi-use sculpting concealer in the shade Chestnut. I am just going to put that under my eyes and on my eyelids. And then I'm just going to take my Japanese 726 brush and blend this out. So now I'm just going to take my Mercier translucent setting powder, and I'm going to use this to set my eyes. So now I'm just going to go over that with the other side of the sponge, and I'm just going to press that setting powder in. Next I'm going to take this E.L.F Ultimate Blending Brush. It's kind of dense, so hopefully this works. I don't know what shade I am in because I've never had an E.L.F foundation, so hopefully I picked the right shade. I'm not going to use the sponge because I know the sponge will put more product on my face than the brush will, because I'll be able to shear it out. So let's try this out, you guys. What did you do? I just can't get enough. Too caught up in your love. I've been trying to forget, but you won't let me. Something in my brain wants you. I've been hanging by myself, asking for help, but nothing seems to work on you. Yeah. Thank you, girl. This is bomb. Like, I like this. Okay. With that foundation, and I am just. You're the reason I'm going out my mind. I just can't stop thinking about you. I don't even want to bronze my face at this point. Like, I might do my nose. I don't know if I can use the powder to bronze my nose. Let's see. It's coming off on camera as being a little dark, but it's not really like that in real life. Like, in real life, it matches my neck perfectly. I don't know. What y'all think? Y'all think I should have went with a lighter color? Too caught up in your love. I've been trying to forget. This looks really, really good, y'all. Like, shockingly good, okay? Let me finish off the rest of my face and I'll come back with my final thoughts. So I'm going to use a Charlotte Tilbury Airbrush Flawless Setting Spray. Seems to work on you. Yeah, you always make me feel like, oh yeah, you. Okay, so now I'm just going to add some liner and lashes, and I'll be back. So for lips, I'm going to use the LA Girl Perfect Precision Eyeliner in dark brown, and I'm just going to use that to line my lips. You got me feeling some type of way. You make me wanna stay in all day. You're the reason I can't get out of my head. I just can't stop. Okay, Okay, so now I'm just gonna use Fenty Gloss Bomb in the shade Glass Slippers. This is my final thoughts on the E.L.F Camo Powder Foundation. I really like this. If you guys were thinking about getting the E.L.F Camo Powder Foundation, go ahead and get it. Just make sure you get your right shade and you will love it. If you guys want to see me do a comparison video with the E.L.F Camo Powder Foundation or the Fenty Powder Foundation in 440, so just let me know in the comment section if you want me to. Till the next time, you guys. Love ya. Bye.
Since December, ripped your heart, got a brand new